Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have another MEFI 4. Look like they come in pairs. All right, this is a MEFI 4 Bobo Penta 5.0 GXi-E. This is coming from Canada. Darren Armstrong. He said he has no star, no spark. All right, so I have the computer here connected, so you guys can see in him the number. He puts his name in there, and you can see it definitely is a 5.0. I do have the 5.0 reference, which is a good, at least somehow, for this computer. I have it connected to Diacom, so I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to reselect so we can see indeed the communication established. So it detects the computer. I'm always going to mode 1, and then I'm connected. I have one trouble code, and the code is for crank signal fault. All right, so I definitely know that I have no problems on the signal. So let me erase that fault code because to see if it stays, and it's a hard fault, so it cannot be erased. So it says start without malfunction zero. It starts without warnings 120. So the rest of the values they look okay. Um, let me inject the signal. We can see that we got the signal. No fuel pump, no main power relay, no fuel pump, because this is a MEFI, but it's not happening. Right, so I'm going to turn it off first to see if the fuel pump comes on. We can see that we lost the communication in there. So power on, the fuel pump is indeed coming on and it's doing the prime. So there is no problems with the fuel pump driver. And you see, it did read the signal for a brief second. I'm going to do that again. You see, like 1 second and then nothing. So something is definitely going on the computer. So, Darren, I'm definitely being able to reproduce your concern. I'm going to open the computer and see what my findings are, and then give you recommendations based on that.